If you want to add some AI to your spreadsheet like this, where you have a phone number and you want the AI to find which territory or state it belongs to, like this is how you do it. First, you're going to go to extension and then you're going to click on add-on, get add-ons. This pop-up window comes up. On a search field, you're going to type ChatGPT like this. And you're going to select ChatGPT in Sheets and Documents. Click on it and install this one here. I've already installed mine, so I'm not going to install. Once the installation is complete, I'm going to close this. Next thing you're going to have to do is to set your API key. Go extension and then go GPT for Sheet and set API key. Click on this guy here and then a pop-up window will appear. Click on this hyperlink here. It will open up the OpenAI API Key Management Tool. In here, you're going to create a new secret key. Copy this secret key and click OK. And then after that, go to your Google Sheet, go here, and you're going to paste that secret key. And then click on Save API. You can check if you like. It will come back obviously as good because I just generate the API key and Save API key. Once that's done, you can enter the GPT formula by typing equal GPT and in open parenthesis, double quote. And in here, you're going to ask the question, what state is this phone number from? Question mark, close parenthesis. And the second argument would be the phone number, this guy here, so which is A2, and you close parenthesis and hit enter. What it does is that it goes into OpenAI and try to find out what the phone number is, and this is from Alberta, Canada. So you can copy the same formula and apply the same formula to the rest of your rows like this.